Yeah, I can't take anything else for another hour and a half.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, I apologize.
Okay.
Everything timed. My inhaler's every 4 hours. The aspirin's every 6.
Oh my god.
She needs a monster dose of
Okay,
morphine.
I think I got the sound figured out.
Oh, well, so in that case, you're going to want to find our game.
Well, I'm
It
already
is
in.
Party in the Punch Face. No, you're not.
Me? Yeah, I am.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. I was talking to Tegan. Oh, you're the one who said that.
I'm having
Okay.
issues.
Father John, this is a push. This is a pull door.
Oh man, I'm candy bar.
It's okay, you're Kenyan. You can run fast. That's not me being racist. That's me being racist.
Guys,
Me, hello.
hello? Wait, let me check this microphone because I think it's not working. 1 minute.
We just said hello, so obviously it's working.
A separate one. One that's supposed to be around my neck that makes everything sound much better.
Oh, she's gonna go grab her brother's mic that he uses.
I had. Now I have to use my laptop again because it's not working. I had to
gotcha.
close everything.
Shit,
Oh,
it's
it's
Mary.
Mary. It's Mary.
Oh,
Okay.
I think we know who's Mary.
Alright, I'll keep a lookout this way. You look fine. You're just gonna go to the corner, huh? Here I am trying to formulate a plan, and you're just kind of walking to the corner.
Well,
Also, I
you'll
don't know
have
my
to
way
put up-
around these areas.
She's right there,
dun
looking at her.
dun dun. So we're gonna do this properly. Dun dun
She has to be in a
dun
range. She has
dun.
so much
Well,
energy.
since she knows where you guys are, where the hell are you?
We're at the bathrooms.
Dun
That's not just because I'm about to piss myself.
dun dun
Move! 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 Father John!
dun
Tried to kill me.
Maybe a little bit.
Oh my God.
Da-da. That's not how that song went.
Oh my.
It's the Tammy spin on it. Oh,
You
fuck!
teleport. You teleported. Okay. She has a sign of distress. That means she teleported.
Ah,
You
super
can
loud, guys.
Like it's really loud. Actually, you can hear anything else.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm
There's a
sorry. I'm
loud
sorry.
fan in the background.
No, that's my brother's computer.
No, I mean the mic is actually messed up.
Oh.
It's not just your brother. Okay, there we go. It went down. You're good.
Are you sure?
Kind of, sort of.
It's better than it was.
Is that better?
It didn't make a difference, but it's fine.
Oh. Well, I just took the box off my
Why
computer.
is it that whenever you teleport, the bitch's face that you are is in your face? Like, Mary, I know I'm Mary. You don't need to be scared with Mary. I'm a monster. I scare others.
Scare yourself.
Would you call yourself a real monster?
See the fallen
My God, you
blows.
monster!
Always scaring myself with the damn angels. I'm the
What is
angel.
the lobby again? Oh,
That
that's
one.
definitely not it.
Oh,
What
hey,
is
Tegan just
it?
connected.
Hey, look.
Hey, Tegan
Are you in
Tegan, you joined.
I did.
We're not in the lobby. Yeah, we're in the middle of the
You're
game.
in the Bodum Hotel?
Yes, it just says that you connected.
Okay.
You
It didn't ask me for a password.
That's because
Oh,
my
Tammy.
thingy wasn't typing passwords.
Yeah, Tammy couldn't.
Ew,
type
then.
it, so. No, Christopher.
Dun,
Okay, so just a heads up against Mary.
Behind us.
What the fuck's
dun,
behind us?
dun,
I don't know where I don't know where you are.
dun,
Right in front of you now.
Behind is a relative thing.
dun,
Wait, so she's now coming through the room we just left.
It's also a butt.
Ah, he's not here. Damn it!
Let me see.
Okay, how did you just miss this key in here, Father John? I'm judging you so hard right now.
I would like it noted that I've already been through all this, and I have duplicates of all the keys. That is why they're still there.
That's good. Why do I get the feeling that Mary just showed up?
Okay, that's not working.
I don't know, why did you get that feeling? So I'm in an empty damn room. Oh, you son of a bitch, son of a
What?
Whatever.
Did Mary show up? Am I an ESP? Am I a psycho? Oh god!
Oh,
Tegan, your mic went Nazi again.
Nazi.
I did not see that coming.
Ah,
Next, that was
Okay.
awful.
stop it, shut it out. Gotta be kidding. Come on.
Had so many facelifts that this out. I'm sorry, that was inappropriate. Let's continue.
Yeah.
So you want to start jokes like that?
Loud.
Jokes.
And I'm not sure what's going on with the mic. It's kind of going really.
I'm sorry. I think I can't do anything right now because everything just decided it wasn't gonna work after I became host.
Oh no. It's fine. Well.
Wow.
By the way, it sounds like this game. Is that right? Is your brother's gonna be
Yeah.
on the computer?
Well, I just joined the game. Like, actually joined it.
I give her 5 minutes before she dies.
Yeah, probably.
Depends on.
Oh, before she registered to me, said anyway.
Say what?
Nothing.
Can't hear anything.
Smartass.
Okay.
Mother Ophelia, how did you miss the crowbar?
Who?
Ilya?
Again, first time being here. Bite me.
Okay, you just came out of this room and like it was huge and glowing. I don't know how you missed it.
It wasn't glowing for me.
Go figure, bud. Ba-da-boo.
Why do I have to be Mia? I don't want her.
Oh, shit.
Can I just ask what kind of person actually has black fingernails?
She's in the hallway. She's in the hallway.
Why me? Why me who cannot close doors?
You shouldn't be in charge of such things. Hello.
Yes.
Oh
Is
my! Look at all these
Don't
people.
kill me, please.
I want
It's not a phase.
I want in. Come on, let me in.
No, please don't. Please no. No. I can't hold doors closed to save my life.
The way you're running away is amazing.
Hey, you bitch!
Hi.
Can you not see? Can you not? Hey, Mary. Hello. Hi.
Big mistake.
Oh! What? No! Circle! Damn it!
Shit, it taunted me.
God, I didn't know that you actually had rage.
Why would I tell you
gonna
that?
need to loot. I have 4 keys. Someone's gonna need to loot my corpse. I hate you so much, Tammy.
Oh, that's what you get for being a dick. You should have just let me go.
I didn't know that you had rage.
What? You know I suck at Mary. I'm not gonna just use it because I saw someone, but since it was a straight beeline towards you, that's a little different. You literally were right in front of me. You didn't even bother to have a stack of books in between us.
I feel like
I looted him.
yeah, there's
Okay.
Gotcha.
Well, my brother's watching a video right now, so
all right.
things
feel
might
like-
sound a bit choppy tonight.
I feel like if I were if I were playing, if I were spinning as fast as I did in game when I found a monster, I'd just be like a fucking ballerina and just spin on my toe.
Pirouette.
Oh, that.
Kill them with fabulousness.
Aww. I found a body. It's Mia's body. I just killed you.
Yeah, you're a terrible human being too.
Well, I'm not human, so that works out.
You're a terrible ex-human being too.
I think you're giving Mary way too much credit. I don't think she was
I mean, she has the body of a little girl.
humanoid.
No, she's not little. I mean, that's not to say that she's fat, but I mean, she looks teen.
Fuck!
Age.
Damn it! Oh, so annoying.
Did you teleport?
Yes.
Well, it's taking me 3 minutes to pick up a key, thanks. Sorry.
Typing away, typing away. Wait, come back, Father! I need to be blessed!
You need a tic tac. Father's just running to everything. I'm a driver. You just
Run, Father Ophelia, run.
Guys, do you hear me?
Oh,
Yes, I do.
no.
Okay, it's taking me forever to pick up a key. I can't even pick up a key.
Oh, have you disconnected? Oh, well, no. Yeah, Tegan, you have.
No.
14 ping.
I'm just lagging.
Maybe you'll quit lagging so much if you leave the Skype call and just type.
I think it also has something to do
No,
with the fact-
no, it's not Skype. It's... Yes, my brother is
But-
watching it.
But I will say that Skype does use up a fair amount of bandwidth.
So it won't fix it, but it might help it. So you can at least get the most out of the rest of your game.
If you'd like.
It's fine. Oh,
Okey-doke,
follow me.
artichoke.
Follow me.
Well, not when your head spasms like that.
She's
Your head just went through your corpse. You're one of them.
Right?
No, not your corpse, your chest.
Sorry.
Your torso.
Follow. Just follow.
I'm blind, just so you know.
Points.
Oh my god,
Points.
fucking radiator
Points.
scared this out of me.
You don't need to follow me now. There's a key.
Where?
On the
There's
iron-
something here.
No,
No one else see that.
picked it up. She picked it up. It might be a bug or it might be her lag.
Oh, that's so much fun.
Alright, I'm gonna spectate Easter. Because I think Easter, I think you're our only hope. You are the Obi-Wan Kenobi of this game.
Oh good god. Look how I'd be. I feel like death and the monster hasn't caught me yet.
Help me, Obi-Wan. You're our only hope. And I remember having to share a computer when I was a kid too.
A computer, we don't share.
Yeah, I know, but like you guys are having to share the internet. I played a fuckload of StarCraft and Warcraft with my family.
Didn't even play that. I remember fucking around on MS Paint playing Solitaire and Space.
Lion.
Oh god,
Pinball
that's
is
space
awesome.
pinball. It's like pinball but in space.
Now that was a flashlight.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Yes.
Yeah, that was my last game. Because I closed the game.
Oh, okay. So you. Alright. So you're heading out?
Yeah, yeah.
Alrighty. Well, I will see you later, Tika.
Sorry.
Bye.
Bye.
Adios.
And then there were two.
I totally killed her before she left. That's why she left. Killed
Oh,
her
really?
Dead. Oh yeah, like murder face.
You killed her so dead.
So dead. I don't know who's Skyping me, but they really need to frickin' stop.
That's Tegan.
Tegan!
All she's saying is bye.
She said bye in chatty chats.
She always says bye. In chat. One, two, ah. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh?
Oh, I was just wondering why I closed the door for a moment. I wasn't sure if you saw her. Or if it was just blindness. One, two, three.
No, it's 1, 2. I have 2 diabetes.
Do we really need to
Thanks,
do
Max.
that?
Little I can't just. I'm gonna read it out so that way you don't have to alt tab and read Skype. Little. Greater than period greater than. I kinda with I weren't 5'3" 5'3".
Okay.
Oh, that's the first time she put 5 inches 3 foot.
Okay. What's her height got to do with nothing? Nothing.
Because
Max,
Max, yeah, Max called her a little lady.
Yes. Knocking on your door. Is she still in there? Did she teleport? I don't know, and I'm too afraid to like open it and find out.
Hang on. Which one? Oh, I mean, there's a win. I don't know. I don't think that she's there, personally.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
See her. What, is she there?
No face.
Oh yeah. But I can't read the top stuff.
The best.
Anyway, let's go back onto the game. Oh right. Oh, I can understand now why you didn't want the Skype messages, because you're trying to record, right?
Yes.
Oh, I apologize.
It doesn't matter now. It's just on top of the fact that if they're talking to me, it's like I'm not tapping out to read Skype. So stop talking to me, saying.
Oh shit! I thought it was.
It doesn't matter.
There seems to be an entire conversation on Skype. Yeah.
That's fine.
So I think that ship has sailed, my friend.
This was only going to be for us anyway, because I wanted to know what the audio quality sounded like and blah blah blah. So when I load this to YouTube, 5 people will see it because I only have 5 subscribers. So I'm not concerned.
I don't even remember how many subscribers I have. I used to do a bunch of Stepmania videos on YouTube, because I used to be really good at Stepmania.
I don't even know what the hell that is.
It's DDR for the computer.
Huh.
So like I used to play in tournaments and shit like that.
Cool.
Tournaments for $5 gift cards to places.
I'm done.
We're just standing there.
Good luck, Easter.
You said you're the Obi-Wan.
So does it help me?
I haven't seen you once, actually. You've been really good at avoiding me the entire game.
I saw you.
Well, that's good. At least you're paying attention.
I saw her when she
Okay,
didn't
I'm
see
blind.
me, but then I made the mistake of taunting.
Yeah.
Ah, he learned his lesson.
So- Well, no, like you were coming through.
Oh! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! Turn around! What?
Okay.
Crab walk!
Gotta go.
Crab walk away! Crab walk! Crab walk!
Button won't work.
Crab walk the other way! You're hitting a table! Crab walk!
Hands, but button doesn't work.
Okay, you're just dead. You're so fucked.
Toast.
I just killed Max. You think my frenzy will come back that fast? Come on, guys. Give it.
Well, I don't know how angry you are at Crab, so I'm not terribly sure how fast your rage builds up.
Or if I teleport, you're fine. Oh,
Okay,
let's teleport up in front of you.
So not fair.
Easter, I believe that you have the eye of the tiger. It's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rival.
Oh, it's a definite challenge, alright. I have fucking boogers leaking down my face. and shit.
Those are boogers. That's your fear. You're getting rid of the fear in your body. It's just coming out your nose.
Oh my god. I bet you anything Max has like one key and it's the one I need.
I don't know. I bet 0. Matt, how many keys do you have?
I have 2, 4, 6. I have 8 fucking keys.
Yeah, I had
None
13.
of the one I need.
There was a map that I pretty much just outright soloed, and I had 13 keys and a crowbar by the end of it.
Yep, I remember that game. I recorded that game. No sound though.
It
I was
upset.
super disappointed about that.
The sound.
That because it wasn't recording sound. I think I got it fixed for this recording, but don't nope away. Come back. I need a hug.
I'm gonna knock the fuck away from you every time I see you.
I need a hug.
Oh no,
Max, where
Tammy.
the fuck is your corpse?
I'm in one of the bathrooms.
Ah, you bastard. Why would you die in a bathroom?
She got me from behind.
He was just standing there.
In the
To his credit, he was not hard.
Really now.
Way to go, Father Ophelia. You died in the
Behind
fucking
you.
bathroom.
At least I didn't die on top of you, boy.
Good.
Wow, that's something to be thankful for, I suppose.
Rather not. Remember, if you think you can stomach them, there are rotten potatoes with bacon bits that just got pulled out of the oven.
Are you still looking for his body?
Oh.
No, she found me.
Should be rack.
Why are you lurking near the bathrooms waiting for me?
Not at all. I had just found it, and I was like, well, I don't know if you've been here. Because I didn't want to lurk. As I sat in the corner thinking about lurking, and I thought, it's not nice. That's why I asked.
The way Corey did it the other day.
Right, I don't wanna. Then you camped it. I got bored.
Oh my
I
gosh.
have to say that Scooby talks like someone that has a stroke.
Scooby or Popeye.
Oh, Popeye.
Yes, you had a stroke about 10 years ago. How did you not notice? Those are not normal forearms. You should be tested for cancer.
Hell, that's what the spinach does. I mean, you know.
Can we take a time for just a second? I have to blow my nose.
Go for it.
Like, really bad.
I'm gonna be right back while you're playing this game. I believe in you. Just want to go ahead and tell you. Do you know what kind of a job you're doing? It's great. You're doing a great job. Keep on doing that great job.
So you're not even gonna spectate, huh? You're gonna ditch her? Leave her
No,
all
I'm
alone.
gonna give me a drink of water.
Oh, okay, that's
Okay, I can breathe again.
That's
Sort of, kinda. Ah,
after this. I'm gonna have to take a break so I can go change out laundry and stuff. Stop it! Stop it!
He doesn't kill for killing's sake. The violence is directed towards building an empire with himself in the center.
Oh, you motherfucker! Ah!
huh.
I hate when you teleport and it just teleports you to the same damn room.
Yep.
BS.
Caesar's personality is what one would call sexual dominance. Sex is not only for pleasure, but to dominate the world around you. It's about power. On the scale of sexual dominance, Caesar ranks very high. This is psychological profile.
Fuck, I'm blind. Max, you're spectating me, right?
Yeah, but my gamma doesn't go up as high as yours.
Oh.
Dun, dun, dun! So you're spectating, but...
I can't see anything.
Empire, necessary armies, physical violence to back it up. And along the way, they both had every move they could.
What?
The assassins.
I'm not just speaking English.
Actually.
Fuck him.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Whoa.
So do you guys still have 5 people, or?
You can hop in because someone dropped out. We're still in the same game that we're recording.
Hey, no problem. And what program did
Well,
you
a
decide
dude
to go
hopped
with?
in, but
Oh, did he? I thought he left again. Anyway, I went with XSplit
he mighta.
Gamecaster just to screw around with it. I was having trouble with the audio though, so after we finish this game, I'll be checking it to see if it recorded like it should have.
If you want, I can give you the stuff that I use for it. I use MSI Afterburner, and I figured out, and after much YouTubing and Googling, I figured out how to make it so that they could hear me and them, you guys.
Ooh,
Yeah.
yes, excellent. We shall talk.
Yeah, and I'm sorry I never got back to Max about that. I kept forgetting. And today I was actually quite busy up until just a few hours ago.
That's what I told you. It was Tammy.
I was gonna ask, did you work today or?
No, but I work tomorrow.
What's up, Russell? It was Tammy that was asking about it. So
You guys did not message me until I was already playing Ark.
I messaged yesterday or the day before. I messaged you like,
I would love to know why she is so much louder than you are, Max. Like, you're a whisperer.
I wouldn't know. But yeah, Rosie, I messaged you at 2:34 yesterday and didn't get a message from Tab 17 when I was on.
Damn it, Amber, quit hiding.
Wait, what? Yeah, I was asleep last night when you messaged me.
Dun dun dun. Now
Or no,
what?
no, I wasn't asleep. I was going to sleep
Just said you were asleep.
when I.
Now what?
No, because I actually messaged him back and I forgot about that.
Fuck a duck. Why?
Because she's going to escape the bin.
No, she is.
No.
Can't find nothing with nobody for no reasons. It's because I don't know this map at all. Like, I'm literally going room to room, and it makes sense when I'm in the room, but in my head, it's not mapping together. I need to see an overview, and it'll help me.
An overview.
Is that if it makes you feel any better, if it really were me, you'd have caught and killed me by now. Fucking.
If it really were you, you are you. Were you replaced with a sim?
Maybe. I don't know. Does Distance catch colds?
It could. Like, you got human parts. Oh, you're fucked. Sorry.
Oh, damn it.
It automatically teleported me in there. Even the game is like, okay, enough's enough. Enough.